Hope you guys have been having a good morning. I am headed back upstairs. Hope you enjoy the little montage. Mostly that's what I do when I'm off work. I, wake up, make sure my bed is ready. I don't always walk, but I don't always do a long walk, but Oscar always gets to go out and get his breakfast and get mine. I've been doing a lot of bagels recently, but too much line. Today I fell for something else, so I made me my favorite pancakes, and I'm just gonna tidy up my bathroom and do some laundry. Light coming in, natural light. So that's what I'm gonna do. So talk to you guys later. Got lots to do. All right, so this alarm has been going off all morning. So I'm gonna change that out. I don't remember how to do this, but slip on for the battery. Oh, this one is not a flat battery, so I gotta go back downstairs for the correct batteries. So I gotta get those. I got batteries. Sort out the lights. You guys are a little bit lean. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna sit on this ottoman. I'm in shorts. I got the tree as well, and I'm going to. Oh, the music's so low. Whew. Child, hold a second. carry on. I have my little container here with all the things that I used, I believe, 2 years ago. So, I'm not doing anything new. This wreath is messy, as well as the tree. So I turned the music off because evidently we don't want to get copyrighted. Yet, like I said, I have shorts on. I'm just up all morning and I've not done anything else. I went outside and I'm like, I am going to decorate. No, I don't know where my lights are. They should be in this container here, for which I have all the stuff I used the last time. So, alrighty, here are the lights. So I'm gonna string lights and show you guys what I'm doing. Some of these lights are to go out front. So I'm not sure of the extent to which I'm going to be decorating. I know the tree is gonna go up. I'm gonna do the columns on the veranda porch, and then put the lights so that tonight I have lighting. So I have this couple boxes and this as well. So one set will be on the inside. The tree is already pre-lit, and then on the outside. So stay tuned. My Christmas decorating extravaganza. I have the bows for the trees, and I have the stuff for the top of the tree. Like I said, I'm not doing anything new, and I'm going traditional with the green and red. All right, so here we go. Hey guys, this is me coming back after 2 or so days. Close this. Not me doing laundry again. That's become a habit. I am going to hit the road and just gonna get ready. My Christmas tree is up. I liked how it turned out. It doesn't have a skirt, nor am I going to invest in that because it's just for It's already what, the 5th? I don't even know what date it is, but it's Sunday. Don't mind my hair, I'm just going to spray it up. Have you watched my video where I winterize my hair? Just gonna put some moisture in. It does need washing. I am going to, I'm strongly thinking of coloring the roots and the ends, so I'm still working that out, especially with it being so dry. I probably wait until the summer, but I am just gonna get ready to hit the road. So just a quick get ready with me. So hold a second. Alrighty, I put some jeans on. I'm gonna wear my boots and yo, that's it. She ready to hit the road. I'm not changing anything. Get my bag, get my glasses. See you on the streets. I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging on the camera, so the quality will change. I'm not there yet when I take the camera on the road. I'll get there, but not today. See you later. Alright, so I told you I was going on the road. I did. Oops, let's turn this down. Totally forgot to vlog. Oh, there was absolutely crazy. Just too many people. I understand, because Saturday, Sunday are the days most people get off to do all they have to do. So, but yeah, I just remembered that I promised that I was going to put the camera up, but I did go to Ross, I did go to Burlington, and I'll show you a few of the items I got when I get home. But y'all, that's it. I was focusing on what I needed to do, so I didn't actually do any vlogging. But I'll just talk to you when I get home. All right, so now I'm home. Don't mind the mess behind me. I changed my linen and they're in the dryer. I don't know who else does this, but I like actually see you in a bit. So I like, two particular sheet set, and I use those. I rotate them so they're both actually being washed. So there's that. Alright, so I got this dress from Ross. It's black, as you can see, and it has some shiny things through it. I like the ruffle detail. I do have quite a few Calvin Klein pieces. It's the size 8. I like how they fit me. And then I got this little grandma throw over because again we're in winter. I'll wear my coat and then I'll have this on. This is from Nina Leonard and it's in a size large. Market value $29. I got it for $12.99. I'm gonna try it on, so hold a second. I do need to head back out on the road, so I've got something I need to pick up. But yeah, I also got this. It's from Tommy Hilfiger. It's just like a house dress. Yeah, it's just like a house dress. It's in medium, but as you can see, it's a little big. So something nice and cozy to wear around the house. You can wear it on the road, if you're running out to do errands and such. Who knows? She's always a little low from time to time. But she will come. Oh, how long? Take Darkness, a light of dawn. And then I'm gonna sit down, just a mess behind me, I'm sorry. Then I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna clean the place up, and I'm gonna sit down and edit. I'm gonna edit, I'm gonna transfer files, just to condense stuff. And just to have stuff ready to upload. So yeah, feeling this makeup, feeling this look. I look cute, look grown and sexy, yay! Ooh, yay! Talk to you guys later. It's Christmas time. Hey guys, gotta turn the radio down as per usual, you know. Hey, 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 hey! Happy Thursday. I've been MIA, you know. Not every day we can do this. We gotta get peace, quiet, and rest. So, hi guys. So I did my takedown video today for my hair. Curls are nice and bouncy. I haven't unraveled them because I'm gonna milk it for all it's worth. Look at this. Yeah. All right. Headed out. So I have a meeting today. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna stop and do any shopping. I need a little bit of knickknacks. I do need to get Oscar his food. I have to make his rice and chicken. So I need to go to the store to get a few more cans. I saw affordable chicken breast in Aldi. It's $1 less than anywhere else. So I'm going to be getting some more of those. Yeah. Shout out to Aldi. And then of course I have to get some rice because I have to cook that as well. Boy, I live better life than most. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later. As per usual, I am driving out, so I will focus on the task. Again, talk to you guys later. Bye. So welcome back to the vlog. Today is the last day of this vlog. So I'm hosting a pre-Christmas dinner. So I have made everything already. I'm just gonna put them back in the oven to warm up a bit until my company gets here. I did this makeup look for Instagram, so just an easy in-house, and I was practicing my lash game, so they're pretty uncomfortable. But anyway, they're on. And I also am milking this hairstyle for what it's worth. It's still in its tight curl phase, and then I'll unravel it because yeah, I'm just going to make the most of it. Don't mind my baby hairs. All right guys, I'm gonna prepare for my dinner guests. I have here this formal dining area. It's a really huge table, so I just created a little ambiance for those of us who are going to be here. Just a little Christmassy setting. Customarily, it's set up with these items, but just going to sequester those away, and I'm using just this section. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Well, we had a good time. This is the remnants. So we're just gonna pack. Let's see. Ooh. is the remnants. So, I'm just gonna pack up some for lunch, put away the stuff, and get ready to work tomorrow. You girls gotta go to work. Double Oak Arcade in Cincinnati. I'm gonna work, so yes, I'm in red. Christmas tree, lights not on yet. It's all about 5 o'clock. But I had a good time. We had good talk about memories and stuff. We did. Walking down memory lane. Congratulations, Argentina, for all those who are carrying the French. Sorry for your loss. World Cup is Jamaica's passion. Must have skipped me. Cause I don't know nothing about football, #soccer. Alright guys, so this is where we'll end our Christmas vlog. Number 1. Talk to you later. Please like, share, and subscribe to Jess Althea's channel. Please, I'm at 98. Get me to 100 now. All right, guys.